cutting out a rear end and our Ford Excursion to go on a Ranger build in the future. If we don't get it out today, we're gonna lose the shot.
Ranger.
What was that?
Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger.
Woo.
She's coming out, real sketchy like. What's important to know is you don't need any sockets to take these out, just an angle grinder and a dream.
True.
The gas tank right there, no worries, it's a Ford. Gas doesn't work. You getting shocked by your angle grinder still?
Yeah. I don't know what's up with it.
Keeps you going.
I think it's...
What is that, a Milwaukee? It's trash.
DeWalt. I should have brought one of my others.
One last shock, one last promise. Cutting the leaf springs too? Dang, flat, it snowed in my Excursion. Someone left the door open. What'd you do that for? This is a nice vehicle. Little damage right there, but you know, you can fix that frame rail. Put some Bondo on that or something. Fix it right up. All right, guys, I didn't get it on camera here, but I cut out the other side myself. Right there. Looks like we got a good rotor. Unfortunately, there's no brake pads on this side, so he's gonna have to buy those, and those can get a little pricey, but yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do on these junkyard rear ends. Any last words, Ford man? I like how you wore your classic Ford hat for today.
Oh, yeah.
Crawl under there, get that drive shaft out.
All right, I might need you to grab me a socket if this is not the right size.
Alpha mechanic.
Oh, that's definitely not the right size. All right, give me like a 14 or...
You're counting the guys, if you've ever jacked up your vehicle like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, guys, I got a little side quest while he's taking that drive shaft out. We're gonna do a cold start. This Silverado right there with the 4.8. It's been sitting here for about 6 months, I would say at least. Nice and snow covered. And unlock it. All right, guys, as you can see, she's snow covered. All was sitting here with this little solar charger, so we're gonna try to do that. All that was keeping it going. So is the battery good? Is the battery bad? We're about to... How about now? Oh, she wants to go. We are close. Uh-oh. Woo! Fire me up, boys. She's running good. Oh. Woo! Transmission temperature is pegged for whatever reason, but she is running good. See if the windshield wipers. Oh, hey. Beautiful. All right, she's in drive. Let's see if she moves. Oh, she doesn't move. Move out of the way because we're going to get the Cadillac to take the drive shaft out. Oh, she's spinning. A ratchet. It only took 2 hours, and I'm driving a Cadillac, an all black one. Okay, so the plan is to take that axle out of this car right here and hope for the best. All-wheel drive, definitely better than the Subaru. We're back with the 13 mil. Round 2. That's it. Is there enough room for a ratchet in there?
Yeah.
Look at that. We found a nice little blanket, courtesy inside the Ford. It smells like a sumo wrestler took a dump on a burning tire. Cut out our last 2 bolts because they're inverted torque bits, and we don't believe in that.
Better.
You want to get some video? Yeah. Hold on a second. Here, take that. It's already filming. All right. We're going to use our ultimate tow rig here. The all-wheel drive Cadillac. Praise God, guys. We got her mostly disconnected. The drive shaft fell out. Let me know if I'm about to back into something.
All right.
I feel like that's good.
Yeah, that's good. You're
Right.
gonna do a slow pull, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. I'll start out kind of fast and then I'll work my way into slow.
Sounds backwards, but okay.
Don't worry about it. How hard can this pull? It's just a Cadillac. Fine. You paid me for that axle, right?
Yep. Nope, not at all. Paid upon getting on the trailer.
What happened?
You just got tight.
That got tight?
Stop.
What's happening?
You're gonna pull the jack off.
Pull the jack off?
Yeah, don't move. Back up.
Oh, why'd you put your jack there?
Oh, man.
Let's censor that.
You keep pointing your butt toward me.
You keep pointing your camera for the butt.
It's like a
I
magnet.
from my church watch these videos, Travis.
Pray for me.
Ready?
It was poorly as last time. Nice soft ground. Nice soft ground last time. Last time we fell. Lay her down right on the ground. That one's better.
I showed you. Yeah. This little quarter ain't nothing for a Cadillac.
All my brake lines are destroyed.
Yeah,
Those
it's
are
big
garbage
for
anyways.
It's big for a Ranger.
Yeah.
All right, now we're ready to pick it up. I don't know if you noticed, but the axle's over here, your trailer's over there.
Oh, you don't say.
You're real good at backing up? You been going to the gym recently?
What's that?
Typical New Yorker. Can't back a trailer up. There we go. Slide it. Slide it.
Someone just said that's faster, and that's a faster.
Where's Jackknife Tim? Okay, it's recording. Let's get to it. All right, guys, happy trails. It's on the trailer. Headed to go to upstate New York. I got you a present too, Travis.